Hello, I'm Dr. Todd Lasang, Director of Tulsa Botanic Garden. We're here on a brisk March day looking at the garden at the end of winter. Now's a perfect time for you to look at your plants like your ornamental grasses or your herbaceous perennials and to cut them back to the ground. So this is what we're basically starting to do right now. So we're going to take these grasses, cut them back to just a few inches. Same thing with the herbaceous perennials. Here's a clump of a muley grass that we just cut back right now. And this is exactly what you want. You kind of tidy it up, get it ready for the spring season. But there are a few plants that I recommend that we don't cut back earlier. And amongst them would be the perennial hibiscus or the so-called hardy hibiscus. These and plants like lantanas and some of your salvias that come from further south like Central America or even South Texas, it's best to leave them up longer until all of the winter freezes are gone. So we recommend cutting these back in late March. So start on your perennials and grasses now. Wait on your hibiscus, lantana, and salvias for a few more weeks. But in the meantime, come on out to Tulsa Botanic Garden. Our bulbs are starting to flower right now. We have Tulsa Botanic blooms running from March through April, and it's a lovely time to come out and see the garden. Thank you very much. I'm Todd Lasang, here to give you some gardening tips.